What's up, everyone? Welcome to Extra. I'm Mario Lopez. Miley Cyrus just got into a nasty fight. The new video's coming up. But first, Charlie's crazy new rant. Could it force him into the psych ward? Jerry has the latest.
Comedy?
You are no match for this warlock.
Or crazy?
The Malibu Messiah, the Condor of Calabasas, warlock of your jealous face. I see you.
Fears for Sheen's mental health growing today after his new internet rant.
Sizzle losing. Bye.
And another appearance with Gary Bryan and Lisa Stanley on LA's K-Earth 101.
How does Charlie Sheen describe his behavior?
Winning behavior? I don't know.
Extra Life Changers addiction specialist Dr. Drew Pinsky and psychiatrist Dr. Soroya Backus with new warnings for Charlie Sheen. Is Charlie suicidal? Could he relapse and overdose? Dr. Backus saying it hasn't hit that point yet.
In Charlie Sheen's world right now, he is his own religion. I almost think his grandiosity is protecting him from going there and making that final leap.
Extra, extra.